Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this design is created here easily and clearly. And guys, this rectangular tub is designed here, and this is a perfect and all is back side and front side is a looking so nice here, and this color is golden color is also very nice here, looking perfect and this tub is a rectangular tub, and this boundary is also drawing here easily, and how to this body is drawing easily and clearly. Okay, and today discuss here this body is clearly all process and step by step is drawing easily and clearly learn here. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design here. Okay, at first select a mechanical design and use this generative sheet metal design. This part is drawing here, and at first select this XY plane and use this position sketch is select here, and this is a correct and this is sweep and reverse vertical, this is okay, and use this center rectangle is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect and some corner is okay, editing this corner is this 22 is correct and some dimension is this distance to this is a 260 is correct, and also this length to this is a 180 is correct. Okay, 180 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect and then exit. Okay, and this sheet metal parameters is click here, and then this command is not activated, and at first select this sheet metal parameters, then other command is also activated, and this value is changeable, change here and also changeable. This thickness is 1 millimeter, and this default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct, and this value is also change here easily. Okay, at first select this wall is this and this is a direction is upward, and use this downward and click OK. This is a correct, and also this is a okay, this is a correct. This boundary is select here, and this plane is also hide because this body is looking perfect. At first select this face and use a position sketch. A sketch positioning is select here, and then use this is a sweep and reverse vertical is also correct. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and some use this offset command is used here, and anywhere is select here. This is a correct. Okay, this is a minus 12 is correct. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Click OK, and then use this surface stamp command is very useful and helpful, and this command is used here and created this hole. Okay, this is a at first select here, and angle is 90 degree is already is perfect, but this height is a 160 millimeter, and again this is a perfect, and again 140 is a better, this is correct, and first radius is 6 millimeter, and then second radius is 8 millimeter is correct, then use a perfect. Okay, use this body is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some boundary is used here, and then use this command is a teardrop command is used, and then this length is 2 millimeter and also radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and then use a this upper line is select here, and this is a correct. Okay, all is line select one by one, and this is a correct, and click OK. This boundary is ready, and this is a perfect, and this body is this design is created here easily and clearly. Okay, but some material is apply here. At first click this shading with material is used, and then apply this material is a steel is correct, okay, and this steel is right click, and this property is select here, and then reflectivity is very high, and click a golden color is a perfect, click OK. This is a perfect, and all body is all process is learn here easily and clearly, and also this is a back side is drawing this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this back side is also perfect, and this front side is also perfect looking here, and this body is design and also boundary is design here, and this body is so nice looking here. This is a perfect, and this rectangular tub is very nice looking here, and also this is a very use, and isometric view is also drawing, and this is a very useful. Okay, this is a correct, and this body is a looking perfect. Okay, okay guys, all process is learn here easily and clearly. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, this a small and this usable product is learner, and this product is okay. This also this product is next lecture is coming soon, and this simple and a beautiful project is drawing here. Okay, okay guys, thank you.